All right, so thank you so much for shopping Beaver Industrial Tool, Biz, where we give a damn. Really great company. I like buying tools from them, free shipping, all that good stuff. Further to the point, I finally bought a replacement for my double battery Makita, and that is the Metabo. I was gonna buy the Mafell single battery 18 volt, but this seems to be fitting in with what I've been doing recently. It comes with a dust bag. Obviously, you guys are seeing me open it right now. Manual, no batteries. I think it was right around $500, something like that. Bare tool. This is me seeing it for the first time, you seeing it for the first time, all the good stuff. There's a lot of things that I like about this tool, and the reasons that I bought it were several. So all I know is that it works on the Metabo battery line, and it obviously works with all the tools that I already have. The dust bag I like a lot. That's really nice. That seems super nice. Very easy to open, and I like the capacity on it. That's really sweet. But anyway, this will probably get used mostly with the dust bag. But yeah, that clicks and locks out at different points. This is a micro adjust for the depth of drive. This is just a simple quick squeeze lever. This is the FS rail. This is off the rail, so you know where your millimeters are. If you're dumb like I am, I'll probably print up a little sheet to put here on the side so that I know what my millimeter to inches are. And got a precision adjust. Also, this works on not only the FS or the Festool Makita rails, but it also works on the Mafell and Bosch tracks. And then these are adjustabilities for both, so you can move that in and out. Front and back cam locks. Really slick system that they've got going on here. You adjust it at one point only, and that adjusts the entire thing in and out. Really slick. It's got a back bevel as well. Push in this little button here, and you can back bevel that 1 degree. Bring it back up. Oh, I gotta do the back too. Bring it back up, and it automatically locks back in, and then you can press that again, drop it, go up to 45. Again, you can push that in, go past 45. Pretty slick system there. 10-point adjustable, or 12 adjustments. I like the dials rather than the dumb Bosch buttons personally. That's just me. But yeah, really slick setup. 66 mil depth of cut. That's bigger than the TS55. I think it's a total of 60 mil on the rail. But don't quote me on that. Oh, and then also it clicks in with everything else. And doesn't that green, just envious with the green, right? Whew. Love that setup. The Uni Fix from Star Mix on top of the Metabo dust extractor. Whew.